Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for watching Don's Life. If you remember from a couple weeks ago, we had replaced a regular LED floodlight. These are all the old ones here, and we replaced it with one of these bright bad boys. I'm going to recreate the video a little bit because I picked up two more. So there's 6 lights in this garage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to replace them with half of them with these, and I'll do before and after and see how much brighter it is. So first, I'm going to switch out this one up here back to one of the old ones, just so we can do a proper comparison. Alright, we're ready to go. As you can see, we got 3 lights in view. That's where most of the work I do happens, especially over in the dark corner over there. So we're going to see a before and after on lighting this up. Keep in mind these bulbs are a 2-year warranty, made in China, bought on Amazon with Amazon Prime, worked out to about $55 a bulb. Not a bad investment. Hopefully anyway, so let's get at it. Alright, I'd like to say there's a big difference from that half of the garage to this half of the garage. I've angled them somewhat to point at the doors. As you can see, they're angled out. Hopefully you can see. And this one here is angled towards the mess in the back where a lot of the storage is. I'm literally seeing spots right now. Thank you for watching my video. If you like what you see, please subscribe. It's a brand new channel. I appreciate your support. And just like that, this video's over.